Alimony is available in New Hampshire, and it's available based on considerations of both need on the part of one party and ability to pay on the part of the other. In any marriage, if there is significant need and certainly an ability to pay, in the short term, regardless of the length of the marriage, one might expect an order of temporary alimony, perhaps during the entire time that the divorce is pending. After the divorce is final, the considerations would be a little bit different, and they certainly would take into account the length of the marriage. In a very short-term marriage, say a year or two or three, over the years, it was expected that the courts would want to try to put the parties back in the position they were in before the marriage. And it might be a lot harder in a case like that for one party to be proving a claim for alimony. Now the court is required to follow a new statute that's effective the 1st of this year, 2019, which sets out in a little bit more of a formulaic way what to do with alimony. It does so by saying, for example, in the ordinary course, unless there are special circumstances, alimony shouldn't go longer than half the length of the marriage. So it's rather formulaic. But it does give parties some sort of certainty, or at least some reasonable expectation of what a judge might put in a final order. And it also includes, the statute also includes a formula that creates a presumption that the alimony won't require one party to pay more than a certain amount to the other. But it's a formula that requires first ascertaining whether there will be child support, how much will the child support be, take the child support money from one party, put that on the other side with the other party, and then you look and determine whether this formula allows for a little bit more alimony, or maybe it'll allow for a lot more alimony. But the purpose of the formula, again, was to try to create some more consistency and some more predictability.